guys for you all off one suggestion that you're going to yell out right now.
Sasquatch!
Sasquatch.
Sasquatch.
Dear diary, another day. That makes 27. It's awfully lonely up here. I've seen one owl, one mouse, then the owl ate the mouse. Running low on supplies. I use my binoculars 14 hours a day to look for the magical beast. I'll prove them wrong. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. Exclamation point.
Be wet! I get all my news from Fox News. I get all my news from Fox.
I get all my news from ABC Family Channel. Family news. It's just about my family.
Robbie, ABC Family News is owned by Rupert Murdoch.
That's not true. You're thinking of Fox News.
No, he acquired it in a hostile takeover just last week. He owns both. They're like his daughter and then the daughter he doesn't love as much.
Samantha Murdoch?
That's the one he loves. Abigail's the one that he won't let in unless it's Christmas.
So in this analogy, Abigail Murdoch is ABC Family Channel News.
Yeah, so why are you watching that? You deserve better than that. You deserve what's adequate.
You really mean that?
Yeah, here. Have a go. I think you're ready to choose something a little better than what you've been choosing. Come on, Dad's gone. We need a man in the house.
You're saying that Hannity guy should be the man of the house? Or that lizard-looking guy? I don't know any of the anchors.
You'll have time to learn, man. Time to learn.
Time's up.
What?
That's it.
No, I paid for a full hour.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Well, there must have been some confusion out front. And I booked someone right after you. I'm
Oh
sorry.
man, can we double up? Or
I mean, I guess I could do that. It would be up to the next
the next
client.
client? I mean, if that person doesn't mind, I mean, I'm okay with whatever.
I feel like I would have to charge both of you half price then, but then I'm doing twice the work, so maybe I'll have to charge twice as much.
Well, I mean, I already paid. Do I get a refund?
Oh, you already paid the full amount?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, then of course, that's fine, no problem.
So I'm definitely in.
Yeah, okay.
Anybody else?
You should be here in a second. So, how's your wife?
She's good. She's going back to school.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. I thought she was, I thought her IQ was really low.
That is, it's a big challenge. There's a lot of night schools have
her.
Well, it's not really, she's not really being supported. I mean, it's her money. No.
Oh, it's her money. Oh,
Yeah, her
okay.
money paying for the massage.
Wow, all those rumors make sense now.
Yeah. a little lower.
Oh, okay, sure.
And stronger.
All right.
And like wetter.
All right.
Nicer.
Okay. I feel a little uncomfortable.
a little less uncomfortable.
That's better. Oh, yours looks a little tight around your scalp.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, it's gonna make your face fat.
Oh. I'm just trying to go for a slimming, kind of sleek look with this baby bonnet. I'll never find any headwear.
Don't
What?
give up. Don't give up. This isn't the last hat and wig shop on this block, all right?
You promise?
I promise.
Guess what?
Circumference square. Just try one more. I mean, why burn all the bridges before we get kicked out of them? You know what I mean?
That's a really good point. Because we've been kicked out of about 7 of these places.
No. Well, one more, we can never come back to the bonnet and wig district. We'll have to move to West Hollywood.
Don't say it! You know what they say about West Hollywood. There's monsters over there.
Monsters and people who want to take your money.
Exactly! Promise me you won't go?
Promise. Equal and opposite force promise.
I'm gonna make a promise. Yeah, you better! Yeah, you better! Mom, Dad, I promise I'm gonna make some. You said that before! No, get all your promises, shame! No. Shame and ill will!
I'm tired of rolling dice to feed my family.
I'm gonna make some, Mom.
You better.
I'm gonna make the name Troll mean something. You've been saying that, well, centuries! Believe me, I was there, I saw it. We know that you lived for centuries there.
Don't keep fast up like that just because he's half your size and has a brain the size of a peanut.
Hang on, nerd.
I love you.
I'm gonna go to night school, and I'm gonna get a business degree job, and then I'm gonna manage an Applebee's. Applebee's has no power over me anymore.
How dare you?
I'm not some.
You know that their wasabi-crusted steak sucks balls!
It does. I have gas for a week. And that isn't long enough. But if I'm
I had to stay in the same room as him. He kept doing a Dutch job and it was awful.
oh, you used to love that when we were younger.
That was a long time ago and I'm very old, Garflon.
I want to make you proud.
You want to make us proud? You bring home one of them night professors in a canvas bag.
I'm not gonna do that. That's not how I'm going to make our family better. I'm gonna learn. And that's because we love you. Stop clubbing me.
Are you gonna stop clubbing?
What?
It's not the 80s anymore, Gerald. And it wasn't even that popular in the 80s. It was really more of a 70s thing to do.
Why aren't you asleep? It's like 6 a.m.
I couldn't sleep. I was waiting for you.
Don't listen to her. Come clubbing. I've got your pathway lights. Tell your mom to go to hell.
Please don't say the H word.
Go to
have hurt you so sad, man. Oh, ecstasy. Oh, Mom! Stop doing ecstasy around me!
I'm just trying to get to know you like you are.
Really?
I tried making you a meatloaf. I tried watching the same shows that you did. None of it worked. I can't sleep. I can't eat. All I can think of is you winding up like your fucked up friend Daryl.
Daryl's an upstanding citizen! Aren't you, Daryl?
I'm a sane citizen?
Outstanding, Daryl!
Oh, sorry, Mother. Comment.
It's nearly 6:15, and I got studying to do at Daryl's house.
But I just took mine an hour ago.
What? Are you serious?
I wanted to understand you. I won't be coming down for 5 hours.
Hold on. Daryl! Daryl, what do you think? Do you think we can get my mom in?
She's got to totally hot it up.
Okay. Like some skanky outfit.
Yeah, this is the after party.
Mom, you realize that we could ruin our entire reputation by bringing used to this after party.
I just want to be a part of your life. Please don't comment on that. That's from Ethan Allen. Woo! Great day for an America's Cup.
Sure is! Whoa!
Whoa!
What's the wave and the jib?
Mad turbulence on the starboard bow. Turn the dock wheel 2 degrees northward.
2 degrees northward! Say, did you give any more thought about what I asked you yesterday?
I did. I just don't think I'm ready for a commitment. Not till I have a big trophy to put on my mantle and spit in and drink champagne out of. I want us to use the cup at our wedding for our commitment toast.
Oh, I thought you were going to say you wanted us to crush the cup under a handkerchief. Did you represent the breaking of the temple? Waves!
John, are you Jewish?
Yeah!
Oh my God, I'm Lutheran!
Uh-oh!
Bring Johnny to kill a mountain goat!
What day is it?
Well, it doesn't really matter, does it? Every day's a great day to kill a mountain goat when you're a huge Chewbacca-like creature.
You think we find the places where stumps are?
Guys, I've got a confession!
What is it, Lobdor?
Labyrinth?
What?
Santro? I can't eat billy goats anymore. I'm vegan.
It's a new technique. I'm perfecting it myself. I think they'll name it after me. It's called body massage.
That's your last name?
Yeah, body.
Darling, do you need any more money?
No, I think I'm okay. I still have 100 in my wallet.
All right, I'll be looking at myself in store mirrors.
She sounded really
I paid for the full 2 weeks.
Well, it's a new technique. I gotta perfect it. I'm afraid if I go too much of a trial run on it right away, it'll, I don't know what will happen.
A little less scared? Can you just be a little bit more experimental?
All right, this is part of it.
Okay. Oh, I can feel you farting on my sand.
Baby doll, hey baby doll, I bought a CD player and I got the extended warranty. Baby doll.
She thinks that you're a baby because that bonnet.
I didn't expect that to happen. God.
Well, quick. Well, breastfeed. Okay.
Use this one, it's less leaky.
Shit your pants.
It tastes like whole milk, you know when you drink skim.
Try the other one.
Do you think it's more pasteurized? Oh, wait, I did just shit my pants.
Red one.
Baby doll, who is this man?
It's a guy I paid $20 to fill out my fantasy.
Oh,
10 more minutes of this.
I love you. Chinese tongue bath. A Chinese tongue bath is not something I want my son to be involved in giving, getting, taking, borrowing, lending, or filming.
And a Belgian nose fart is not something that I want to watch on YouTube.
And a Swiss wedgie is not something that I plan to reenact at my church play.
And if I see one more French tickler, I am going to be upset.
Cut to the French tickler!
Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Oh, baguette!
All I really want to do is watch some TV. The trees are boring. They remind me of childhood. Walking through the backyard, through the wooded forest, where I first thought I saw a glimmer of him and her. Maybe it's all a lie. Why? What is that grunting? Oh my goodness! Oh, it's just a bush.
Hey Stan! Hey Rebecca!
What's up, Phil?
Hey Phil, how you doing?
I'm good!
Cool.
Did you guys hear?
No, what?
I went vegan!
Vultures don't go vegan.
This one did! Me! I did! It's so much healthier!
Well,
I don't know, Phil. I mean, personally, we're evolved to only eat meat.
semi-rotting meat.
Well, you know what they say. God expects the most from you, not the least.
You got a vegan and Christian scientist.
You guys should really read this Christian Science Monitor. Rupert Murdoch owns it now. It's
It's still really good.
I think maybe you're being convinced by evil forces and not realizing it.
You gotta stop believing in monsters.
What? Are you kidding me? That's the only thing that keeps me going.
Oh, man. I just told you. You're tempting me.
Oh, really?
No. Guys. Cut it out.
Tastes like freedom.
Tastes like enlightenment and ultimate wisdom.
Shut up. Really?
I mean, we can't be held responsible for your